I'm also going to be replacing the crankshaft position sensor, and it's located back here, right above this is your starter, and your crankshaft position sensor is right here. Okay, crankshaft position sensor E8 Torx. That's what you need. One of these guys. And a low extension. Alright, to give me some more room, there's a hose right here. I'm gonna, it's being held by zip tie, and I'm gonna unclip it and move it out the way. There we go. And then one more up here. Let me see if I can reach it. There it is. Okay. Tab right here behind it, you can't see it from this side, but you kind of have to feel. What I did is I used a very tiny flathead, and I kind of grabbed the I kind of dug under the clip, lifted it up, and then gently tried to pull it off, and it came right off just like that. And then the sensors here, there's a Torx bolt here. I have to go find the socket for it. Okay, I found, uses a E8 Torx with a little extension. My light. There we go. My light back. There we go. And I went ahead and I sprayed a little PB blaster on this last night. Let it sit so that it could break down the rust on here, because it might be stuck. Oh, there it goes. Hitting my face again. Let's find a better spot to put this light. Right here. Okay. And I read some people having trouble getting this sensor out, but let's see. Oh, I think I am lucky. One of the lucky ones. Here it is. Cool. Maybe that PB blaster did help. Or WD-40, you can use that too. But let's go take a look. Here's my new one. I got this one on Amazon as well. Bosch. Let's see. Okay. Two prong. Everything's the same. Same thing. Okay. So, go ahead and put the new one in. Where's the hole? There it is. Okay, that's in. Oh, my light again. Stay there. Stay. All right. Let's find the hole. Oh, I found it. Let's see. There it is. Okay. Let's get this in here. And tighten this. Not too tight. It is plastic. Okay. Disconnected the power. Let's see. Let's get it hand tight. Okay, here we go. That should be good. It won't go anywhere. Plug her back up. Okay. She feels like she's snug. I'm gonna put this hose back in. Bam. And this guy. Alright. That's it. She's in.